Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Shauna here, and I have a confession to make. I'm doing a Evereve Trendsend unboxing today, but I cheated. I was going on vacation, and this came right before I was going on vacation. And I thought, I wonder if there's something in there that I want to swap out and take on vacation with me. I don't have time to do a video, I'm just gonna crack it open, look through it really quick, and take what I want. I haven't tried anything on, I just glanced at it and thought, at a glance, is this something that I want to figure out, you know, if I want to take with me. I didn't end up taking anything with me just because it just didn't match the trip I was going on. But, so I did kind of glance at everything already, so sorry. But, great segue, I also was looking for a romper for my trip. And I found this one. It was on Amazon for, I think it was $30. $30, Amazon. And I love it. They have different colors, it has pocket, it has a tie, it fits well. I'll put a link down below in the description. It's nothing special, but it's like soft and stretchy, and I love it. So, if you're looking for a romper, Amazon, $30. Stop it. Could you, what? It's so good. It's so good. So I had to get that instead. So let's go through the box. Again, I didn't really dive too deep, but I did cheat. Okay, so the first thing, let me see, is this blazer. And I think it's adorable. I was going to Vegas. It was gonna be a million degrees. I did not need a blazer, but I think it is so cute, and I really am looking forward to try it on with some of the other stuff that they sent. Because I don't know if you know, Evereve, Trendsend, they send things mostly in like outfits so that you can try them on as a whole outfit. And I think that's so cute. It's by Level 99 and it's really stretchy. Okay, the next thing was this skirt. Now, I really like this skirt. It's really long. This is totally like a style right now, these flowy long skirts. It would be perfect for Vegas. However, I already had a blue long skirt in my bag, so it wasn't like worth taking for. That doesn't mean I wouldn't get it, but just like a quick change, it just didn't make sense. Okay, we'll try that one on and see if it's worth it. It's totally cute. Okay, what else? All right, so this one is this Smocked linen shirt, which I think is gonna be really cute on, except for it's a little bit wrinkly already, and I was nervous, like packing it in my suitcase, that it would just come out like a, I don't know what, like a mess of wrinkles. So this one didn't make the cut either, but I do think it's cute. So we'll see that. I think that went with the blazer, so we'll try that on. Okay, so this is the other one that almost made the cut, because I really want these pants. I got these well, no, I didn't get them just like this. I got some black ones similar to this, and they have like these cuts in the side, and I'm not gonna lie, I want a pair of these. Okay, I don't know, this one was a tough one for me, because I wanted to bring these. Okay, we'll try them on and see. I didn't. The next thing is this tank top, which I think would be fun for working out. It's a fun white tank. I wonder how I'll have to look and see how they want it styled together. I don't necessarily like the wording on it. It's not quite my thing. Every once in a while, if it's really lovely, I'll go for it, but I tend to avoid it. This is by Z Supply, so it's stretchy and fun, and probably the price is pretty decent too. So we'll try that on. And the last thing is this, and it was just, I'm just not a hot green, fluorescent green sweatshirt kind of person with the fun. I mean, I bet it's really soft actually now that I'm pulling it out. It's really soft and fun. It smells like Evereve. They like pump a smell in there, I guess. I think. It smells like Evereve. It's cute. I'm gonna try it on. I don't need this, but I don't love the color, but it's really fun. Okay, so now I'm gonna try them on and you'll tell me what you think, all right? I'll be right back. Okay, I seriously need some opinions on this one. All right, so straight away, I feel like it doesn't give me enough shape. I like everything, but I don't know if I like it together. So the blazer is stretchy and cute and it's linen, but it's not like a wrinkly linen. It's really nice. I think it could go with fun stuff. I think it would be great with blue denim and like a white t-shirt or something like that. Like that would be adorable. I don't like how this is flowy, these are flowy, this is kind of flowy too. I just think I lose all my shape in it, okay? So, but I think it'd be really cute with denim. So I might try it on with the denim and see if I'm right about that. Okay, but oh my God, these are back, people. Shoulder pads, they're back. Are you prepared? Okay, so the shirt I think is a little bit crooked, but it's a cute shirt. I am into this. Like this with denim would be really cute. I really like the cut of this. It's like a little bit longer in the back. And I like the smocking. I think it lays nice. It gets it's wrinkly because it's that thin linen, but I like it. Tell me what you think about this. It doesn't have a lot of shape to it either, so, but it's casual and fun. And again, I think it would look better with some denim too, but not that. Okay, so tell me what you think about the pants, because I tried on some other ones and they just didn't look right. They were cute, but they just didn't fit right. And these I think fit terrific as far as being comfortable and flattering. I don't like them with this shirt though, but I'm not sure what color I'd wear with them. They're like a cream and white pattern. And these are the ones that have the slits in the side, which I really want. They're so comfortable. Okay, tell me what you think about all of these pieces. Together, separate. I seriously need some help with this because I like it all, just not all together. And maybe I shouldn't like it all. You'll have to tell me. All right, let me go try on the next outfit and we'll see if that one's easier to decide on. Okay, I'll be right back. This outfit would have been so cute in Vegas. So cute. Why did I not take this to Vegas with me? So I took this hat, got this out of my trunk club. I'm in love with it. I wore it all over Vegas. It was perfect. Right? So cute for summer. Okay. Tell me what you think. So now I gotta make a tough decision. Not going to Vegas. So I love this outfit. Okay, Jira styled me and it's so good. Right? So good. So but the pieces by themselves, again, I'm not totally into the love writing on here, and it's a bit of a muscle tee, but I still think it's cute. I don't know if it's super flattering, but I like it with the outfit so much that I'm like, I don't know. I really like it with this. Okay, so the skirt my husband really likes. There's like a little slit in it. It's a tiny bit long on me, so I have it kind of pulled up high. But it has this like amazing elastic waistband. Like take me back to maternity clothes days, elastic waistband. And it was like coming home. It's so perfect. And the color is great, and the fabric, I'm sure it's a polyester, but there's like a polyester cotton blend because it doesn't feel polyester-y. And I really like it. What a fun summer skirt. Right? Oh, so hard. Okay, let me try on the sweatshirt and then we'll look at prices. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the sweatshirt, and I read the note from Jarrett, and she said it's on clearance, and so she popped it in there for like a fun summery evening sweatshirt. It's really is totally that, right? It is. Doesn't look great with the skirt. It's fine. We can expand our minds, use our imaginations. It's not really my color. I mean, I don't think it looks bad on me. It's not something I'd be like, I'm gonna wear that fluorescent green sweatshirt today. But it's really comfy and lovely. So if you love bright colors like this, oh my gosh, clearance, go online and get it. It's really so snuggly. Like, I want to keep it. I mean, maybe it was a super good price, I would. All right, segue, prices. Let me change my clothes. We'll go over them because I think a lot of this is gonna come down to price. And we know that Evereve is not cheap. It's not at all. So we're gonna have to make some tough choices. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I think this was a totally fun box that Jara put together for me at Evereve. And so now I have to make tough choices. Okay, so the level 99 rose blazer, 138. I'm not really surprised. I wish I had more places to wear it because then I would just, it would be no brainer, but I just don't know if I'm really going out that much yet that I need this, but it's really cute. It would be such a fun addition to my wardrobe. I should look through my wardrobe and like, what else could it go with to see if I could justify it because it's pretty fun. And I don't have anything like it. Okay, 139 or 138 for that. All right, so these pants, tell me about these. They're soft and comfortable and fun and unique. They probably go with tons of stuff. Can you see the pattern in them? Okay. They're by Roan and Ryan and they're 88. I think that price is about normal for Evereve. Are they worth it? Should I get them? I should also try that. I should go through my wardrobe with that and be like, what else could I wear with this? I mean, I think just like a white t-shirt would be cute. Like even the Love shirt would be cute with it. Okay, so then the Smocked sand v-neck shirt. Even though I liked how it fit on me, it's 78. I liked how it fit on me. I think the wrinkles would be a turn off for me because I don't iron. And they bug me when linen is we've talked about it before, you get like accordioned up after you've sat in it, and I just don't like it. And I know linen is kind of supposed to be wrinkly, but it bugs me. Okay, it bugs me. 78. All right, the Love tank top is a good price, 39 Z Supply. I liked it better than I thought, even though it says Love on it. Tell me what you think. Is it worth it? Is it too muscle tee? Not quite right. It's really soft too. All right, so big question. This is by Lizzy. Oh no, this is by Roan and Ryan as well. It's 88. Does it look too much like Waves of the Ocean, like I'd be walking by? I think it's really cute. And talk about elastic waistbands, people. This one's probably the toughest choice. I like this. 88. Is it worth 88? It is really lovely. Let me see what it's made out of. Okay, it is rayon. So, I don't know, it felt good to me. I'm pretty picky about fabrics. Okay, and then the sweatshirt, neon sweatshirt, which isn't totally my thing. I looked online because I got it so while ago and I knew it was clearance and the prices go down in clearance. It's now $31. Do I need a neon sweatshirt for $31? Maybe. Maybe not. Okay, tell me what you think. I don't know what to do. Those soft pants, the blazer, the skirt. You have to help me. Okay, put your comments down below. I hope you liked my video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you like these videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified every time I post new videos. All right, thanks so much for watching, you guys. See you next time.